SEO for your blog or website improves visibility on search engines like Google. Here's how to optimize your site. Optimize post titles and content. Write descriptive, keyword-rich titles for your posts. Use target keywords naturally in headings, content, and meta descriptions. Ensure content is high quality, original, and engaging. Enable search engine visibility. Go to Settings in your Blogger dashboard. Under Privacy, ensure the blog is visible to search engines. Customize permalinks. Use custom permalinks for posts to include keywords. Add meta tags. Enable meta tags in Settings, Search Preferences, Meta Description, and write a brief, keyword-rich description for your site. Use alt text for images. Add alt text to all images, describing their content with relevant keywords. Improve loading speed. Use lightweight themes and avoid heavy plugins. Compress images before uploading. Submit sitemap to Google. Generate a sitemap for your blog and submit it via Google Search Console. Build backlinks. Share your blog posts on social media, forums, and guest blogging platforms to get backlinks. Monitor performance. Use Google Analytics to track visitor behavior and refine your SEO strategy.